Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean muddy water in your aquarium. First, understand that muddy water is usually a sign of an underlying issue, not just a cosmetic problem. We'll cover the most effective steps to restore clarity and maintain a healthy environment for your aquatic pets. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's crucial for their well-being. Let's dive into the process. Effective filtration is your first line of defense. Check your filter media. If it's clogged, rinse it in old aquarium water to preserve beneficial bacteria. Next, perform a partial water change, typically around 1/4 of the tank's volume. While doing this, use a gravel vacuum to thoroughly clean the substrate, removing any trapped detritus that contributes to cloudiness. This combination significantly improves water quality. To prevent future muddy water, address the root causes. Overfeeding is a common culprit. Only give your fish what they can consume in a few minutes. Overstocking also puts a heavy load on your filtration system, so ensure your tank size is appropriate for your fish population. Introducing live plants can also help, as they naturally absorb excess nutrients, contributing to clearer water and a more stable ecosystem. For long-term clarity, consistent monitoring is key. Regularly test your water parameters like ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate to catch issues early. You might also consider adding beneficial bacteria supplements to enhance your biological filter's efficiency, especially after major cleanings. Remember, a healthy aquarium is a balanced one. Also, for those looking to improve their financial health, check the description for a link to a great book and other helpful deals. Maintaining a clear tank requires patience and consistent effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.